seen a lot of difference pre-COVID and post-COVID batches. You have a complete sound sleep of 6 to 7 hours before your exam. वो pressure है कि मेरा बच्चा सबसे आगे होना चाहिए. Hello everyone, आप सभी जानते हैं कि मैं मैथ टीचर हूँ और आज मेरे साथ है धन्या मेनन who is a parenting coach और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टीचर, पेरेंट और स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में. धन्या, please tell us about yourself.
So my name is Danya Menon and I have been parenting coach for the past 5 years. And being a parenting coach, I also get to hear both sides of the story.
Plus you are a parent as well.
Yes. So the kids also open up and say a lot of things. The parents have their side of story. So I think we both are sailing in the same boat because
yeah.
we keep hearing both the sides.
Correct.
So why not have this discussion
And a conversation, like candid one conversation, so that
Yes.
let's see how it turns out to be.
Right. And you have been a tutor and a coaching center. You have been having it for years now.
Yes.
So you also get to see both sides of the coin.
And I have been seeing the shift also, like in the kids and all of that. So again, yeah.
Right, right. So Manthan, I have few questions for you,
Correct.
which I have been hearing for some years now.
Okay.
And these are, I think, questions which keep coming up every now and then.
Okay.
And I think a lot of parents and students will be able to relate to it.
Hmm.
So the first question that I want to ask you that you work with so many teenagers,
Yeah.
right? And what do you think is really going on in their minds these days?
Very honestly, what's going on in most of the kids, I'm not saying all, but most of them do not want to work hard. They are very much influenced by the YouTubers, by the gamers, by the influencers, and they want to become one of them only. I mean, if we say a few years ago, what was doctor, engineer, or CA, now it is YouTuber, gamer, content creator. I mean, that's what the dreamy world looks like to them.
I think also now the list has a new name which is known as influencers.
Yeah.
They feel that is easy life, quick money, lot of fame, fashion,
Correct.
being in the limelight.
I mean, everybody, loves attention these days. And I mean, of course, we see the content creators, the influencers, they get a lot of attention on social media, be it in terms of love or hate, either ways. But yeah, they do get. So kids these days, and of course, monetizing that part either by YouTube or by brand collaborations is a very easy thing to do. So, I mean, they always want to go for easy money, basically.
Right. The second question, we started off saying that you have seen a lot of shift happening among students.
Correct.
So my next question to you is, have you noticed any big shifts in teen behavior, in their attitude, compared to what it was like 5-10 years back when there was no social media and life was much more
No,
different?
see, there was social media, but I have seen a lot of difference pre-COVID and post-COVID batches. Now, pre-COVID batches, what happened was like kids did not have their own phones. उनके अपना खुद का पर्सनल फोन नहीं था. Whatever जो भी था मतलब वो या तो पेरेंट के फोन से उसको यूज करते थे. अब ऐसा हो गया है कि नाउ स्कूल्स भी धीरे-धीरे टुवर्ड्स द मोबाइल होमवर्क्स एंड असाइनमेंट्स एंड सबके ऐप्स अपने-अपने हैं स्कूल्स के. They are also putting everything out there. So parent, of course, either by compulsion because most of the times both the parents are working, or for the convenience वो बच्चों को अपना-अपना फोन दिया हुआ है. So now जो बच्चे नीचे जाके ग्राउंड पे खेलते थे, दोस्त बनाते थे, नाउ उनकी लाइफ जो हो गई है फोन के आजू-बाजू ही घूमती रहती है. That is the major shift that I have seen in kids behavior. They want to be aloof. उनको अपने में रहना, अकेले रहना ज़्यादा पसंद है as compared to going out with friends or playing with friends if you see pre-COVID and post-COVID thing.
Right.
Second, I would say in terms of education also, now these 2 or 3 years what we had during COVID, most of the kids and everybody was learning online. And I mean, kids being kids, they were not very serious. And for teachers also, it was very difficult to have a look at what's going on with the kids. मतलब वो क्या कर रहे हैं, plus कर रहे हैं, minus कर रहे हैं. तो जो basic part है, जो fundamental years है बच्चों के, वो बहुत ज़्यादा weak रह गए हैं. जिसके चलते क्या हो रहा है कि now you don't have the 6th, 7th, 8th का maths with you. Now 9th and 10th is becoming a lot difficult. So that's what I have been seeing कि kids फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आलस आ गया है कि हम पढ़ना हमको पसंद ही नहीं है. दूसरा हमारा बिकॉज बेसिक वीक है, हमारा और मन भी नहीं लगता. अगेन दिस नॉट फॉर एवरीबडी, बट आई एम सेइंग जो रेशियो है ऑफ नॉट पुटिंग एफर्ट या हैविंग द बीस बेस वीक is more post COVID as compared to pre COVID.
Hmm. So very rightly, I in fact have observed at a lot of places that when you go to restaurants, if there are 2 3 year old kids,
Hmm.
the easiest thing parents do is that
Phone
they give the phone. हाँ बेटा phone देख लो, so that they can have
हाँ.
dinner and talk to their friends जो भी है. But ये बचपन से तुमने ही हाथ में पकड़ाया है, and after fast forward once they are 10 12 years, they keep coming back and saying that बच्चा तो हमारा सुनता ही नहीं है, पूरे दिन फोन में रहता है.
So that's again, and the thing is कि once you give phone to the kids, you don't have a control. उनके पास दुनिया का सब डेटा का एक्सेस है. एज अ पेरेंट ना आप कंट्रोल कर पाओगे, एंड आज जो बच्चे हैं वो उस कंट्रोल को बर्दाश्त भी नहीं करते हैं. दे डोंट लाइक द पेरेंट्स यू नो लुकिंग टू देयर फोन्स आल्सो. आई टेल यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. स्नैपचैट इज ऐप. नाउ स्नैपचैट में एक फीचर है स्नैप स्ट्रीक, जहां पर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को रोज डेली पिक्चर भेजते हो तो एक स्ट्रीक बनती है. माय किड्स आर वेरी फ्रेंडली टू मी, एंड आई टेल देम कि तुम्हारा मैं स्नैप स्ट्रीक चेक करूंगा. नाउ यू डोंट आस्क के होमवर्क नहीं किया तो खाना खाना तो नहीं भूलते, ऐसा नहीं पूछते हैं. स्नैप स्ट्रीक भेजना तो नहीं भूलते, स्नैप भेजना नहीं भूलते. दैट्स द न्यू थिंग नाउ. सो इफ यू सी, उनका 300 400 500 डेज इज द मिनिमम स्नैप स्ट्रीक, which is 2 years without fail they have sent pictures to their friends. So of course, not even a single day they are without phones. So yes, I mean there is a shift like that.
Right. Now that we are talking about kids,
Hmm.
what are some common things that they come up with and tell you about their own struggles,
Hmm.
which their own parents may not even realize that the child is going through it? So, what are can you list down few common challenges that the child?
See, I'll tell you, अभी भी जो पहले टाइम पे पेरेंटल प्रेशर था कि मेरा बच्चा सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए, वो आज भी है. नाउ आई मीन गोइंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट, 10th के बाद स्पेशली व्हेन यू चूज योर स्ट्रीम, please talk to your kids. That's my request to all the parents. Please talk to your kids, because एक तो आज की तारीख में बच्चे मैच्योर ज़्यादा हैं, बिकॉज उनके पास अगेन डेटा एक्सेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका बच्चा अगर ये 2 चीज़ ही पकड़ेगा, डॉक्टर इंजीनियर सीए, तभी लाइफ में वो कुछ कर सकता है. when there are multiple things, please try to explore that. अपने बच्चे का इंटरेस्ट आप जानने की कोशिश कीजिए, बिकॉज अब बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है कि आप धक्का मारोगे तो आगे जाके वो करेंगे. उनको नहीं करना है तो वो नहीं करेंगे. So that's a major thing that kids have on their mind, because उनका अगर पढ़ाई में या किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में मन नहीं है, प्लीज डोंट पुश देम कि आप जाके 11th में वही लो, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वो सफर करने वाले हैं उस चीज को लेके. बिकॉज हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी ऐसा है कि 10th और 11th में जो सिलेबस है दैट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. आप 10th के बेस पे अगर आप सोचो कि मेरे बच्चे का 90% आया तो मैं उसको साइंस दिला दूं, दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस, बिकॉज स्कोरिंग इन बोर्ड्स इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट जितना 11th 12th का सिलेबस है. सो दैट्स अ थिंग दैट किड्स फेस अ लॉट दीज डेज, के अभी भी वो प्रेशर है कि मेरा बच्चा सबसे आगे होना चाहिए, या माई किड हैज टू डू दिस. एंड आई मीन प्लीज डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग इफ यू लिसन टू दिस, बट आउट ऑफ 10, 8 पेरेंट्स कम टू मी एंड से कि हमारा बच्चा पढ़ाई में बहुत तेज है, बस पढ़ता नहीं है. मतलब हमारे बच्चे का दिमाग बहुत तेज है और पढ़ता नहीं है. तो विच इज ऑफ, एंड व्हेन आई ऑलवेज हैव अ थिंग दैट आई डू डेमो सेशंस विद द किड्स बिफोर टेकिंग द एनरोलमेंट्स. When I do the demo sessions, I realize that they are still struggling with plus, minus, multiply, divide in 9th and 10th also. So, like आप डॉक्टर से कुछ नहीं छिपाते हो, आप लॉयर से कुछ नहीं छिपाते हो, टीचर से भी आपको नहीं छुपाना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो इवेंचुअली उनको पता चल ही जाएगा. And that is how you keep your expectations and kids expectations and teachers expectation also the same level. तो वो discrepancy नहीं होती है फिर.
Also, I think one thing that parents do is उनसे नहीं हुआ तो उनको लगता है my dream my child will
वो अभी
fulfill.
भी है कि मेरे अधूरे सपने मेरा
सपने
बच्चा
मेरा
पूरा
बच्चा पूरा
पूरा
करेगा.
करेगा, which should not be the case. Which
Right.
I'm not saying कि आप बच्चे को पढ़ाओ मत, but I'm just saying कि जो वो पढ़ना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो एयर होस्टेस बनना चाहते हैं, केबिन क्रू बनना चाहते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस जाना चाहते हैं, शेफ बनना चाहते हैं, वट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू डू. आजकल तो लिबरल स्टडीज भी आ गया है, राइटर बनना है, जो उन्हें करना है, जस्ट डिस्कस विद योर किड्स.
Right. I think Indian parenting may the most difficult aspect which I have observed over the 5 years is that parents have a tendency of telling kids कि तुम ये ऐसे ही तुम्हें करना है.
हाँ.
That asking aspect is completely missing when it comes to Indian parenting styles. Why don't you ask your child, be it not just studies, about anything?
हाँ.
So that mindset needs to change. That rather than telling, there are a lot of things that the child can teach you, tell you about the world that is evolving every day. So
Correct.
I think introducing the concept of asking your child, like you very rightly said, बच्चे से पूछो तो सही उसको क्या करना है.
आस्किंग और डिस्कसिंग मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि अपने बच्चे को आप आपके बच्चे ने बोल दिया कि मुझे ये करना है तो आप उन्हें करने दो. आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग दैट.
हम्म.
डिस्कस करो, हैव अ हेल्दी डिस्कशन एट होम सो दैट आप अपने बच्चे को, अगर मान लीजिए आपके बच्चे ने बोला है मुझे ये करना है, इफ यू आर सीइंग एनी डाउन साइड्स ऑफ इट, प्लीज डिस्कस दैट विद योर किड्स के बेटा अगर तुम ये करोगे तो ये हो सकता है. अगर आपको मॉडल बनना है तो इतने इतने साल स्ट्रगल है, इतना इतना ये है, एक्सपेंसेस है, वट एवर. हैव अ हेल्दी डिस्कशन दैट बच्चे को मालूम पड़े कि मेरा ऑप्शन कंसिडर तो किया गया है एटलीस्ट. दैट यू नो दैट thought also is plays a very major role with the kids.
So Manthan, now that we are talking about this generation kids who have access to technology, at a fingertip, they get to get all the information, right? I believe that there is a good side also to these kids. We keep hearing complaints that ये generation ऐसी है, इनको पता नहीं है, इन्हें हमारा struggle क्या ही पता है, इनकी life तो इतनी comfortable है. So it's the negative that the parents keep talking about the child कि ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा है. uh, being a teacher, and I'm sure kids open up with you and talk a lot, जो शायद वो अपने घर पे भी नहीं बोलते हैं. We have had discussions where you've told kids coming up and opening up with you, and then you have spoken to the parent about it. So you have been observing them very closely for a very long time, and you yourself keep updated about the apps and everything. Can you tell me some very good factors about the kids of this generation?
See, kids are very proactive these days in knowing something new now. Okay. So, like when in my childhood or in your childhood, when we knew that there are these options that we have to, go for and stuff, they have multiple options. Now they have access to multiple options, like they can become digital marketing, like all of these options are also available now, which of course are of their interest, and of course these are booming things also. So again, as compared, I mean the part is that उनको जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट होगा ना, वो उसके ऊपर, चाहे वो फैशन डिजाइनिंग हो, चाहे वो एनी क्रिएटिव स्टफ हो, वो उसके अंदर अपने जो हॉबी है वो स्टार्टिंग से परस्यू करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. नॉट दैट दे विल वेट कि हम एजुकेशन खत्म करेंगे, बिकॉज आजकल द गुड साइड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे पास बहुत सारा डेटा फ्री अवेलेबल भी है. सो उसको देख के हम बहुत सारी चीजें सीख सकते हैं, हमें आइडिया आ जाता है कि हाँ, एम आई loving it. For example, a very simple thing, chef. Cooking is freely available on all social medias right now. एंड उनको करते करते यू रियलाइज कि हाँ, मुझे इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, तो क्या मैं इसमें आगे पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ, या मैं क्या इसमें आगे पढ़ाई कर सकती हूँ. सो दैट्स अगेन, you have experimented, you have loved it, and then you are going for it. So again, chances of failure are less there. So that's a good side of technology. But again, talking about being a teacher, I find bad sides also. Bad sides maybe because most of them are doing homework using ChatGPT. Click the picture, post on ChatGPT, it will give you a solution. Now what happens here is कि उन्होंने अपना दिमाग चलाना बहुत कम कर दिया है, especially for the educational purposes. For the good purposes, उन्होंने अपना दिमाग चलाना कम कर दिया है. Now, in this case, now neither can teacher nor can parent do anything about it. यहाँ पर बच्चे को खुद proactive होना पड़ेगा. As in, they have to realize कि ये जो हम कर रहे हैं वो short term के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. But when it comes to appearing in exam, you don't have the choice of ChatGPT there. आपका क्वेश्चन अलग होगा. अगर आप अपने दिमाग से समझ सकते हो कि हम इसे कैसे ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे दिमाग चला सकते हैं, it will be beneficial for you in the longer run also, not just exam but in real life as well.
Right. Um, like you can see both sides of the coin. You hear parents story, अरे सर पढ़ता नहीं है, पूरे टाइम फोन पे रहता है, सुनता नहीं है. Kids coming and say, अरे सर मेरे तो पेरेंट्स समझते ही नहीं है, मुझे क्या चाहिए. So what do you think is the root cause of the friction between the child and the parent, and how do you act as a bridge? Like, you definitely try to talk to both of them, and I'm sure when you speak to the
Hmm.
child, they'll start cribbing about the parent.
Correct.
And parents से बोलो तो बच्चे का बोलेंगे. So how do you handle situation like that? What are the major friction points? That is my first question. And second is, how do you handle it? Like,
See, the parents here are not at fault at all. Again, our upbringing is such that we have seen struggle of our parents, and जो present parent है, most likely, I mean, because we are staying in metros where both the parents are working, they know how much struggle they are putting to their work. It is not easy to earn money, and they do not want their kids to realize that. But of course, I mean, schooling is also expensive, coaching is also expensive, books are also expensive. The parents are paying a lot of money in education. What they want is कि बच्चा कुछ लाइफ में अच्छा करे. That's the only motive of all the parents, and which is why the entire frustration comes in, because the kids are in growing age. मतलब I deal with majorly 13 to 16-year-old kids, and जो adolescence में जा रहे हैं, बच्चे ऐसा है कि अगर उन्हें दिमाग में कुछ बैठा लिया अपने, तो वो लेफ्ट से राइट नहीं जाएंगे, 19 से 20 नहीं होंगे. तो वहीं फ्रिक्शन आता है. हम चाहते हैं तुम ये करो, पर हम ये करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. तुम चाहे जो मर्जी कर लो. सो parents are not at all wrong here, because of course they want good for the kids, and kids अपने ही peer pressure में, like everybody around me is doing this, so I also have to do this. So that's the thing. But again, kids should listen to the parents, and parents should listen to the kids, and that's how. And you cannot tell your kids always कि हमने लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल देखा है, तो हम तुमको ये फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं. After a point, kids do not value these words. Once or twice, maybe sometimes in a conversation you tell them, it's fine. But अगर आप उनको repeat mode पे ये बोलते रहोगे ना, तो वो कभी भी इस बात को नहीं, मतलब ये उनके लिए एक immune system हो जाएगा कि हाँ, ये तो रोज का काम है, बोलते रहते हैं. As a teacher also, I have mellowed down a lot. Like if you ask my students before COVID, आई वॉज दैट स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर कि अगर बच्चे को कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हुआ है क्लास के अंदर, विच दो उनको सिटअप्स करना होता था, चाहे वो 10th में हो या 12th में हो, with the like passing phases of kids and the way the kids behave now, I have also mellowed down a lot, and I have become more friendly as compared to a strict teacher to them. Again, the aura is such still in the class कि अगर सर क्लास में हैं तो आवाज नहीं होगी, which is still there. But हाँ, and please never ever beat your kids.
yeah.
एक बार आपने बच्चे पे हाथ छोड़ दिया ना, तो उसके बाद एक वो डर है, वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा. So I have never touched any kid in all these years. आंख के डर से ही काम करो तो बेस्ट है. तो आपकी भी शर्म बनी रहती है, बच्चे को भी वो डर बना रहता है, एंड इट इज विन विन फॉर एवरीबॉडी. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट बीटिंग द किड्स, इट बिकम्स कि हाँ, रोज का काम है, आज 2 खा लेंगे, कल 3 खा लेंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. These days kids are very much of that mindset.
Um, very well said, Manthan. I also feel that you are an outsider
Correct.
for the child,
Hmm.
right? You are a teacher. You said that I don't beat, but if I am there in the class, बच्चों को पता है सर हैं, तो फिर आवाज नहीं
नहीं
होनी
होती.
चाहिए.
हाँ.
Right? Parents are also trying to do the same thing, trying
हाँ.
to discipline them.
Correct.
ऐसा क्या डिफरेंट है इन योर अप्रोच एंड देयर अप्रोच कि पेरेंट कंट्रोल में नहीं कर पा रहा है, और पेरेंट के सामने बच्चा ओपन अप होके बात नहीं कर रहा है, बट आपके सामने इज ओपनिंग अप, टॉकिंग, इज एक्सेप्टिंग योर अथॉरिटी, योर स्ट्रिक्ट आपका होना इज एक्सेप्टेबल. घर पे वो क्यों एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं हो पाता?
See, maybe because I am there with them for 3 to 4 hours. You are with them for the entire day. तो ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि हाँ, अभी सर हैं, डांटेंगे, या घर में पेरेंट है तो वो रोज ये चीज हो रही है. Maybe that can be a factor. I'm not sure. I mean, you know it better, being a parent, so you know it better. But yeah, मेरा ऐसा है कि maybe because I'm there with them for 3 hours or 4 hours. Secondly, coming to the friendly aspect of it, I mean, they see a friend in me, and basically they also know I'm into social media and all of that, so they can relate also. I mean, that's actually comes a very good thing to me, because I, being on social media, term being a creator or an influencer, I tell them, beta, don't go for it. I outrightly tell them, do not go for it as your primary profession. it's a lot of struggle that doesn't come forward to. Always keep it as a side hustle if you want to. चल गया तो कर लो प्राइमरी, नहीं चला तो आराम से you have your main professions going.
Right. Now with this, I want to ask you one more thing is that, this happens at both the ends. Parents compare their child with another child that,
शर्मा जी
like
का
Sharma
बेटा
ji
है.
ka beta. Okay. And kids these days compare that their parents, my friends' parents are giving him an iPhone, Instagram ID open करने दिया है, ये क्या आप क्यों नहीं करने देते?
Correct.
So like my son the other day was saying that, you handled it so well. उसके पेरेंट ने क्यों उसको ऐसे पनिश किया? And then he came and said that all my friends have Instagram account. Why are you not allowing me to have an account? So you see, they are also observing, they are also comparing. How do we handle this? Like, how do parents handle the comparison part that the kids put in front of them? Also, how do the kids handle the comparison that the parent is putting in front of them? That look at X friend of yours, he's like this and he's doing so well. How do we handle that?
See, comparison comes very naturally to human beings. अब ये 5 उँगलियां हैं, सब बराबर तो नहीं है. Same way, every parent deals with their kids in a different way. Every child takes up things also in a different way.
Right.
So इसमें ये नहीं कर सकते. अभी हम चाहे कितना बोलें कि कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. इवन आई एज अ टीचर से कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. बट इन अ क्लास आई से, अरे तेरे दोस्त के इतने मार्क्स हैं, तेरे क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? It's a normal tendency to talk like that also. But I also make it a point that I compare them with themselves also. Like, बेटा तेरे अगर फर्स्ट टर्म में 60% आए थे, प्लीज पुश फॉर 65%, प्लीज पुश फॉर 70%, डोंट गो फॉर 50% at least. So comparing them to themselves, as I said, knowing your kid first is a very important thing. And everybody who is and yes, मतलब the reason why kids do not open up to the parents is because क्या होता है कि अभी जैसे now a lot of kids have relationship issues also at the age of 14, 15 also. They can't talk to their parents directly because घर में कुछ भी होगा, the conversation will end there, and they will be targeted that for every wrong thing that's happening.
Right.
And it's a human tendency कि वो आज हम अपने पेरेंट्स से ही बात करें तो वो कहीं की बात कहीं जोड़ना is a very normal thing. That's one thing that parent and kid have to build that trust among themselves. Like I have had kids and I still have के जो board exam से 2 महीने पहले they submit their phones to me. And they say कि हम board exam के बाद आपसे ले लेंगे, and I don't even touch their phone. It's switched off. It stays like that with me till the board exam. Because they say कि sir, even if we go to give it to the parents, हम रो रहा के घर में phone है, हम ले लेंगे. Now that much trust they have with me.
Right.
So that kind of trust is built because अगर वो मुझे कोई बात बताते हैं, I take counseling sessions with the kids also, with my students also before exams, which if something is bothering them. So अगर ऐसे कोई इश्यूज हैं, मतलब आजकल तो फ्रेंड्स के भी आपस में बहुत सारे इश्यूज आते हैं कि मेरा फ्रेंड इसको, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को छोड़ के दूसरी फ्रेंड को मेरी चली गई है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. So all these issues they have, and that's because they they spend a lot of time on phones also sorting those matters. So they tell me कि sir आप phone रख लो, it's distracting me a lot, and they keep it with me. So that kind of trust you have to build with your kids to make sure that अगर उनका बाहर रिलेशन भी है, अगर उनको कोई फ्रेंड्स की चीज बॉदर कर रही है, इट शुड बी दैट ट्रांसपेरेंसी एट होम दैट वो आके आपको बताए. मतलब इट इज डिफिकल्ट. I mean, for me, saying is always easier than you having it at home.
Yeah.
But then कहीं तो start करना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
तो yeah.
Right. And this I had experienced personally that my son comes home and tells me everything. So the other day he was telling me, my friends were saying, इसके सामने कुछ मत बोलिए, जाके सब अपनी मम्मी को बता देता है.
Correct.
So then for some time I didn't answer him back because I went into an introspection that, will he stop because of peer pressure? So how can kids
This is
handle?
normal. This, I mean, kids cannot handle this. अगर उसने मुझे बोला कि I mean ये मम्मा's boy है,
हाँ,
तो
yes.
I mean I'm in a growing age. अगर मेरे friends मुझे at this point I am staying with my parents for so many years, but मेरे friends तो मेरे साथ नए नए हैं या फिर 2-3 साल के हैं, and they are as friends they are introducing me to a lot of new things also which I want to know as an adolescent age. So आई विल बी लॉयल टू देम. अगर मेरे दोस्त ने बोला है कि मम्मी को नहीं बोलना है तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. That you have also done, I have also done, they are also doing it. So nothing wrong with it. It's a growing age. They will do it. हमें अपनी ईगो पे नहीं लेना है कि अरे उसने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया ये. You cannot take it like that. You have to accept. You have to remember your days also before, you know, like हर स्टूडेंट ने अपनी स्टूडेंट लाइफ में ऐसे बहुत चीजें की है जो आज भी बच्चे कर रहे हैं. वो थोड़े ज्यादा लेवल पे कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स नाउ थिंग्स हैव ग्रोन अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. So that is normal.
Okay. Though, have you ever, like, we have heard so many stories of people whom we never thought would achieve something in life. So, have you ever come across a student whose performance was like not that great, and then one fine morning, complete turnaround, and boards may exams में he or she scored really well, career मतलब एकदम ही अलग बना लिया. And now when you see them, you feel that ये मतलब जब आया था तो कभी सोचा नहीं था ये. So what was that turning point? What is the turning point that actually changes their mindset?
See, I still remember that student. वो student, I don't know if I can take the name of her, but yeah, a lot of years ago there was a student with me, and उसका she was bad with maths, but a very good quality she had कि अगर मुझे समझ नहीं आया तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगी क्लास से बाहर. पूरे 45 मिनट्स अगर 10 बच्चों को मेरी वजह से अगर हम एक क्वेश्चन पे भी हैं और अगर सब 45 मिनट तक उस पे अटके हुए हैं, तब भी चाहे मुझे सर डांटें, चाहे मुझे प्यार से समझाएं, बट मैं ये डाउट क्लियर करके ही जाऊंगी. That was the best quality of that student. She was with me in ninth and 10th. When she came in ninth standard, she must be at around 40-50%. The moment she passed her 10th, she was 85%. And that purely is her hard work. I mean, that resilience के अगर मुझे नहीं समझ में, because I always tell my students the same thing कि if you have enrolled with me, आपने फीस भरा है, वो सीखने के लिए भरा है. तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ आया, आप पूछो. Most of the things, most of the times there is a शर्म in the kids के सब मेरे पे हंसेंगे.
Yeah.
That's very common with the kids. But if you remove that part from you and if you start asking questions which you do not know, now see, when you are in 10th standard, as a teacher I assume कि आप ये चीज तो आपको आती होगी. LCM you know, that's why we start course के आगे. नहीं आता है, a teacher might feel irritated कि भाई ये 6th 7th की चीज है, 10th में teaching again, because for the teacher also completing that syllabus becomes difficult. If I start teaching 6th 7th 8th also, when will I teach my 10th standard? So but again, as a student you have to ask. मतलब सबकी अपनी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स है. even if like when you ask your problems, it becomes easier for you to score better, you to you better, do better in life. So again, that one aspect, that asking should never stop, be it school, be it coaching, everywhere.
Now that we are talking about school, could be a controversial question, but this is my personal question to you. I have seen my son, evolve over
Correct.
the years. Uh, that day when I picked him from your class, he said, I don't know why I like coming here. The teachers understand me better here, and I feel confident when I have to speak something here. So his question was that why is it that teachers in my school don't like me? When he said that, the one thing that came to my mind was that why is this differentiation? Like, why am I putting my son or any parent putting a child for an extra class when we are already paying so much of money in school? Why is this confidence not passed on into a kid, when the child is already there in school?
See, there's a difference teaching 10 kids together and teaching 50 kids together. Now I would never blame school teachers for that because they are immensely loaded with work.
I agree.
मतलब उनके पास ना होली, दिवाली, आप कोई मर्जी काम ले लो, अभी अभी एग्जाम चल रहे हैं. एवरी फेस्टिवल और एवरी टाइम, एनी टाइम ऑफ द ईयर, दे आर लोडेड विद वर्क. They have one section of 50. Now the schools these days have 5 sections, 6 sections, to a level of 10 sections also. So teachers are already so much loaded with work कि they it is humanly not possible कि आप one to one attention हर बात पे दे पाओ. So कई बार इंसान फ्रस्ट्रेशन में भी होता है. स्टैंडिंग फॉर सी वी स्टैंड फॉर 4 hours 5 hours. They are standing continuously from 7 a.m. up till 2 p.m. plus they have household works and all of that. So that comes very human nature. I mean, it's not that they don't want to, but the circumstances are such that they are so much syllabus complete करना है, papers बनाने हैं, check करने हैं. So all that coming together, having one-to-one attention is very difficult.
Right. So I have worked very closely with teachers, and I keep taking trainings for them. So what you are saying is something that I have heard from them very constantly and very frequently, that ma'am, we don't even get time to eat food.
Correct.
We
Absolutely.
like we are
Absolutely.
always on a cup of tea or just one bite of some biscuit or something,
Yes.
which is very sad state of
Because the
state.
student to teacher ratio in schools is very, it's not something which is very good.
Right.
मतलब one teacher is teaching 3 sections. I mean, it's not possible कि वो हर किसी को justice दे पाए.
Right.
So, I mean, I don't think teachers are at fault here, but again, as I said, if you're a child, if you have a problem, go one to one, talk to teacher. I'm sure they will help you out.
We spoke about how ChatGPT is helping kids complete their homeworks and projects. Social media is in place. A lot of new things. You said there are a lot of courses that have come up which the kids can explore and everything. But what I still see is that the education system, nothing major has shifted.
No, no, no. I'll correct you here. A lot of changes are happening. In fact, we also have our own class-wise is an AI driven app, and usme the workload of parent now, as we say, okay, like parents always come up with ke the time what we studied abhi tab se leke abhi tak things have changed a lot, and now it's difficult for us to teach our kids, which I agree completely, because there is no touch with the subject and all of that, and things have also changed a lot now. So now it's everything is so AI driven that if the kid is 5% proactive also, with one click they get a question paper. With one click they get a worksheet. With one click they get assignments of of self improvement. So एजुकेशन में a lot things are happening, like for the चलो ये तो बड़े बच्चों की बात होगी, if there are toddlers, okay, Canva, Gemini, all of these are coming up with so many tools that जहाँ पर आप बच्चे को, जिससे बच्चा खाना नहीं खाता है, तो there are a lot of violent things that they want on YouTube. उसके अलावा you can make your story books, स्टोरी you just one click करोगे ऐप में, तो पूरा जो एक कहानी देगा आपको, तो बच्चा सुनता रहे, खाता रहे, तो स्क्रीन टाइम भी कम हो रहा है आपका, आप जो चीज अब नई चीजें सीख भी रहा है, समझ भी रहा है बच्चा. सो ऑल दैट is also happening. So yes, AI, I mean, जो edtech है, especially education and technology का combination जो है, that is working fab these days.
Right. Uh, so what I meant to say is that the teacher-student relationship, uh, I think, should have evolved much more than what it is now. Like you said, you can't blame the teachers because they are loaded with work, so many corrections to be done, paper setting to be done. They are completely packed, so can't expect. So, and plus the kind of different professions that have come up, a lot of people still don't know about it. A lot of parents are still unaware about it. So I feel that schools should, the education system should start introducing these things. So now also, if you, when the child is in 9th, 10th, career counseling is majorly done on these major professions that we know of.
Correct.
Second, the universities that come there to pitch are all foreign universities. Not every parent can afford. That is one thing. And you are giving them a hope that, either you go out of India to make a career for yourself, or you get into engineering, doctor, blah, 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 become a lawyer or a CA and all those things. But like you said, chef, look at Sanjeev Kapoor, and so many other people. Similarly, there are so many. Recently, I've come to know that there is something known as sports management.
Sports management, yes.
Yes, it's a course. Why are schools not introducing various options to the kids in school? I think, I'm sure some schools do, but it should be practiced across.
It should start actually. I mean, that's a very good idea, but I feel again, even if they introduce, I don't know how much parental acceptability to it that will come. Like as you said, there is sports management, there are sports physiotherapists also, especially, but the the knowledge about these things, the prospects about these things are not really known to people.
Right.
सो एज इट इज इफ यू से कि जैसे 10 साल पहले बोलते कि बच्चा क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता है, तो नॉट एवरीबडी कैन बिकम सचिन तेंदुलकर, राइट?
Correct.
सो नॉट एवरीबडी इज अवेयर अबाउट कि इसकी लाइफ में आगे कितना परसेंट चांस है माई किड विल, एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स देयर किड टू सक्सीड इन लाइफ।
Right.
तो इस पे मेरा बच्चा कितना पैसा कमा लेगा इज नॉट नोन टू पीपल,
Right.
which is why even if they tell you that your acceptability as a parent will come थोड़ा difficult है।
Right. So I think it is about practicing and putting, reminding parents again and again that there are options
Yes,
available.
yes. I mean, there are people who are shifting also to that. I'm not saying everybody wants it, but the shift is very gradual.
Right.
Like there are many parents I know who prioritize कि बच्चा का डांस क्लास मिस ना हो या बच्चे का स्पोर्ट्स
Yeah.
क्लास मिस ना हो, which is a very good thing as a parent teacher. I tell them also कि भाई 10th है, please prioritize some education. But they are happy about it, so even I don't interfere. कि चलो the priorities are clear, amazing, no
Right.
problem like that.
Great. So coming back to kids,
Hmm.
at least I can talk about my son. Uh, he his concept understanding of concept is very good. Everything is good. Okay. When you ask him that where did you lose marks,
Hmm.
he says I go blank because I am scared.
हाँ.
And I think this is something which I have personally also heard from a lot of kids when I coach them. And the parents also say that घर पे पूछो सबका जवाब देता है, but क्लास में जाने के बाद पता नहीं उसको क्या ही हो जाता है. So how do you, what would you suggest, how do we handle?
See, first of all, math phobia is a real thing,
Right.
and it has happened. It does happen to a lot of kids also.
Yeah.
I mean, I do face it. They do well in class. When it comes to examination, they fumble. Now, there are multiple reasons to it. First of all, uh, they sleep very less during exam. That's one of the major things that should be changed, because जो आपने पूरे 11 महीने में नहीं किया है वो एक रात में नहीं हो जाएगा.
Right.
You have to have a complete sound sleep of 6 to 7 hours before your exam. नहीं तो it will not work like that. मतलब blank हो जाना because आप sleep deprived हो is a normal thing first of all. So I always tell my students कि जितना पढ़ा है रात तक पढ़ लो, बस हो गया, फिर सो जाओ एंड सुबह जाके मस्त एग्जाम लिख के आओ. सेकेंड थिंग इज कि जब आप क्लास में सॉल्व करते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है कि आपने एक ही चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चन एक साथ सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो आपको पता है कि हाँ मुझे इसमें यही लगाना है. एग्जाम में सब कुछ जम्बल्ड आता है. सो एट दैट पॉइंट यू गेट कंफ्यूज कि इसमें ये फॉर्मूला लगाऊं या ये फॉर्मूला लगाऊं. सेकेंडली द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन हॉल इज वेरी डिफरेंट एज व्हाट यू हैव एट होम. So through me also, like if students miss out some exams and they say कि हम घर पे पेपर लिख के दें आपको चलेगा क्या, I outrightly refuse it, because घर पे you are at very comfort level में अपना. जब आप क्लास पे आके 15 बच्चों के साथ एग्जाम लिखते हो ना, there's a different pressure altogether कि हमको टाइम में खत्म करना है. And most of the kids, I'll tell you, lose out on time in exam कि मेरा पेपर छूट जाता है. उसका एक solution which has worked for all kids with me is I tell them whenever you practice at home, do timely. मतलब घड़ी रख के, घड़ी सामने रख के, you should make it a point that 15 questions in 1 hour should be done. Ideally 5 minutes से ऊपर you should not take for any question, and if you start practicing that, आपका कभी भी एग्जाम कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिस नहीं होगा. You will be able to, and yeah, when you say कि हम blank हो जाते हैं, stop just one habit कि हम पूरा पेपर पढ़ लें. वो हैबिट को बंद कर दो. वंस यू डू दैट, क्या होता है ना कि जब हमने सारा पेपर पढ़ लिया है, तो जो नहीं आता है हम उसके बारे में सोचते रहेंगे कि हाँ उसमें ये फॉर्मूला है, ये करना है, एंड उसी चक्कर में जो हमें आता है वो खराब कर देंगे. तो अगर आपको एग्जाम में डर लगता है, अगर आपको पेपर में कंफ्यूजन होता है, स्टॉप रीडिंग द पेपर, सॉल्व एज इट कम्स. आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आया है, फर्स्ट सॉल्व कर लो. सेकंड नहीं आ रहा है, छोड़ दो, थर्ड पे जाओ, थर्ड सॉल्व कर लो. गो इन अ सीक्वेंस. नेवर रीड द एंटायर पेपर एंड डोंट इवन डिस्कस आफ्टर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द एग्जाम. एग्जाम से बाहर आने के बाद पेपर डिस्कस नहीं करने का. जो हो गया है वेरी गुड, कुछ चेंज नहीं हो जाएगा, फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम. दैट्स व्हाट आई टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स.
Great. So I think that's going to be a very helpful tip because very simple, but a lot of kids
Yes,
don't
yes,
know
yes,
about it.
yes.
Our general tendency, like even when I was growing up in school, सारा paper
पेपर
check
पढ़ो,
कर लो,
हाँ हाँ.
and then you start attempting the questions accordingly. But very rightly pointed out that mind already switch हो चुका है,
हो चुका
तो
है,
जो आता है वो भी
वो भी
skip
आप हाँ
हो
कर
ही
लो,
जाता है.
करेक्ट.
So one more question that I would want to ask you, which is again very common, is how do these kids handle peer pressure plus performance pressure plus a little bit of bullying that happens around them? See, not every child gets the right kind of parenting. Kids come from background where using abusive language and teasing someone is very very common, but there are kids who have never been exposed to such. So, and when they face that, they don't know whether they should come home and say, or they should speak to someone. They start getting into a
Most
shell.
likely, yeah,
Yeah.
most likely they don't discuss it with parents. Most likely they get in their own inferiority complex disorders. कि नहीं, if somebody is wearing something good and if I'm not wearing that, probably we come from different backgrounds, but then kids don't understand that part. Either they will ask for it कि मुझे वो चाहिए, या फिर वो अपने आप को ग्रुप से अलग कर लेगा कि नहीं, मतलब I don't fit in there. So that's what normally kids do. I mean, I think you can tell them better how to work on these parts because that comes more from your profession. But yeah, I always say talking helps. अगर अपने शेल में जाने से बेटर है कि किसी से डिस्कस कर लो. प्रेशर किड्स का आपस में जो पेयर प्रेशर है, इट्स ओनली टू मैच ईच अदर्स लेवल. मतलब अगर मेरे दोस्त पास फोन है तो मुझे भी चाहिए. अब उसके लिए चाहे वो घर पे जो मर्जी करे, खाना नहीं खाएगा, इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. So now it's on the parents and the kid how they want to deal about it and what is their priority basically.
So, what is that one advice if you have to give to parents as a teacher, because you see both the sides? So what advice would you want to give parents?
See, I would say keep your kids pampered. That's absolutely good. But wherever you have to take a control, please do that. मतलब just saying कि बच्चा हमारी सुनता नहीं है will not give you any solution because they are 14, 15. They will need your hand holding for sure. Now, how you handle it, you can discuss with them. You can't be strict to them to an extent after an extent because they will not listen to it. But it's more now, at the parents' responsibility side कि how you want to deal with your kids. अगर आपका बच्चा जिद कर रहा है मुझे फोन चाहिए और आपको नहीं सही लग रहा है तो मत दिलाओ. एक दिन नहीं खाएगा, 2 दिन नहीं खाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज आप अपना फोन दे दो उनको जो काम करना है. बट इफ यू कीप डूइंग दैट, इफ यू एक्सेप्ट ऑल देयर डिमांड्स, वो डिमांड्स खत्म नहीं होगी, वो बढ़ती ही जाएंगी. एंड इफ योर गोल्स आर वेरी सिंपल कि आई डोंट वांट टू प्रेशराइज माय चाइल्ड टू डू समथिंग दिस और दिस इन लाइफ, एंड आई एम ओके विथ व्हाटएवर he settles down or settled for or she settles down for, then no problem. But keep your expectations according to what you are giving to the kids.
Right. And what one advice would you want to give these teenagers?
Please listen to your parents. They have seen more world than you have. आप जितना देख रहे हो अपने आसपास, everything looks rosy. I agree to that. You might find कि parents come from a traditional thinking, which is normal. I mean, जो हम जैसे बड़े हुए हैं हम आगे वैसा ही पास ऑन करना ट्राई करते हैं. बट बिकमिंग अ रिबेल टू योर पेरेंट्स कि अगर उन्होंने ये बोल दिया तो ये तो मैं नहीं करूंगा, ये तो मैं नहीं करूंगी, will not serve the purpose. Always they are saying something good for you, for your future. And again, whatever you want to achieve in life, whatever you want to do in life, at least have a stable career या financially independent रहो. उसके लिए you have to have a basic simple career. उसके बाद आपको चाहे इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है, चाहे आपको गेमर बनना है, चाहे यूट्यूबर बनना है, सब बन जाओ. बट फर्स्ट कंप्लीट योर बेसिक एजुकेशन, दैट विल हेल्प यू इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स ऑल्सो. नहीं तो फिर क्रिंज कंटेंट तो आता ही है, वो ऐसे ही आता है, लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन से ही आता है वो. सो इट इज बेटर टू बी एजुकेटेड एंड देन फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स.
One last question. You have been in this sector for quite some time now, over a decade, I would say, right?
More or less.
More or less. What have you learned from all that you see around? I'm sure like we say ना that हमारे आसपास जो होता है उससे हम भी बहुत कुछ सीखते
सीखते
हैं.
हैं, हाँ.
तो what is your learning for yourself?
सी आई हैव बीन टीचिंग जब से मैं स्टूडेंट था, तो आई हैव सीन बोथ साइड स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर वेरी क्लोजली एंड इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑल्सो. एंड आई ऑलवेज फील के मतलब यू हैव टू इवॉल्व योर सेल्फ एज पर सराउंडिंग. अगर वी कैन नॉट स्टिक टू अवर ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स, अगर दुनिया इवॉल्व हो रही है तो हमें भी साथ साथ में इवॉल्व होना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो क्लैशेस होंगे. अगर if I keep myself to what I was 10 years ago and what I am now, so you have to change. I mean, change is a universal thing, and if you want harmonious relationship between the parent and the kid, then you have to evolve. तभी अगर आप 5 चीज करोगे, बच्चा आपके लिए सामने 5 करेगा. बच्चे kids are not the problem. अगर आप उनके लिए बच्चे आजकल the way they are evolving now, they get matured very early.
Right.
Like things we did not understand as a child, उनको बहुत जल्दी चीज समझ में आती हैं, तो they will understand everything you do for them. but हम वो जताने वाला काम अगर बंद कर देंगे ना, तो things will be much more fine.
Right. So you are saying change is the only constant,
Yeah.
and we should keep changing and evolving. And one point that remains with me with the conversation we have today is that kids connect with you because they feel that you are up to date with whatever is happening.
More or less they find me as an elder brother also, because they feel कि हाँ sir है, मतलब he is like that only. So some of them they find me as an elder brother figure also, and they know I'm into dancing and all of that. So they are sir हमारे तो अच्छे हैं, they are all like हाँ cool है sir. तो भाई inside the class I have a different personality, outside the class I have a different personality. So yeah, they connect with me like that also. So again,
Right. I think that rapport is built that he knows what is happening around.
हाँ, and I talk to them also very casually. I don't like say अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. I talk to them very very casually in the class कि हाँ चल ना क्या कर रहा है सर.
हाँ.
The way they feel कि हाँ he's one of us like ऐसा.
Right. That I think so. It is all about evolving with the
Yeah.
child.
Yes.
Parenting is an evolving journey. Is what I
Absolutely.
feel. Plus, staying updated with what is happening around. Acceptance is also something that you
Yes.
said on and
Absolutely.
off. That accept the child as it is and try to find out what the
हाँ, you
interest
can
is.
push your child for something better, but then not this push. I mean, it will come slowly like that.
Right. So I think it was a great conversation,
Thank
and
you
I
so
think
much, Zaina.
parenting and teenager is a never-ending
हाँ, always,
topic,
always,
and
always.
the questions keep changing with the change that happens around us.
One thing that you want the parents to understand, I mean, you are a parenting coach.
So one thing that I want the parents to understand, and we already spoke about it, is that, like you said, change is happening constantly. Kids cannot connect with you because they feel that you don't understand what they are going through, or yes, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Do you even know?
हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है?
हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है? So it is always good to get into their shoes at times to see that अच्छा बताओ क्या हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Like very small thing, like my choice of music is very different from what my son hears. Okay, so he calls all those old Hindi classic songs june gaane, and he listens to all English music. So initially I would, when he was small, I would like, I am not interested. But now I have started developing interest. कि बताओ क्या सुन रहे हो? Who's the
Adaptation
singer?
is required.
So that way I have opened a channel to communicate. So he feels that acha something new has come.
हाँ?
I'll tell
अरे
her.
dance with your kids, sing with your kids. You have
Yes.
to break that power distance, with your kids. So
Yes.
I mean,
So
I always like whenever we have functions of teachers day and all of that, I dance with my kids. क्लास के सर अंदर जो है वो स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर हैं, बट व्हेन आई एम आउटसाइड द क्लास दे ऑल नो आई एम इनटू डांसिंग, सो दे विल बी लाइक कि हाँ अभी हमको सर का डांस करना ही है, तो दैट्स ऑल इज देयर.
yeah, so I think I would end by saying that a parent needs to have various hats,
Absolutely.
which needs to be rotated.
Being a
Need
parent is a
based.
full-time job.
Yes.
I mean, more than
Yes.
that maybe. Yeah.
Yes. So sometimes you are a parent, sometimes you are a friend, sometimes you are, a buddy or whatever.
Yes.
So you are a teacher at times. So that hat needs to change,
Absolutely.
and that's the only way that the child may feel connected with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So thank you so much,
Thank you
Manthan.
so much. Thank you so much.